Hey, MTBX Alex here with my new Specialized P1 2011. So, let's start from the front and move to the back. We got Specialized Rhythm tires and a Specialized P-Series front hub. Just a chromo rigid fork. I'm probably going to switch it out for Masorti DJ2. Got Specialized Aero grips, Specialized P-Series handlebars, wide extended. We got Avid brake lever. It's really tight and nice. The stem is a Specialized Aero with a green trim. Specialized P-Series long frame. It's nice. FSA headset. We got the Specialized Aero 2011 P tires, P pedals. We got Specialized P crank, King sprocket and chain sprocket, and we have a very surprisingly loud rear hub, which is a Specialized P hub. This is gonna be kind of hard, but never mind. Avid disc brake and disc brake puller. It's really tight. Rhythm tire and Alex rims. Those are the main components on the bike. Aero seat post with Aero saddle. So that's my Specialized P1 for 2011.